Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. I'm your host, Ray O'Brien. In this installment, I'm going to show you how, in keeping with the theme of hot cocktails, I mean, it's wintertime in Chicagoland. I need some stuff in my throat, man. So, I was just going to shoot some stick and make myself a hot cocktail. I thought I'd take you along with me and show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to make a Jamaican coffee. Okay? So in this case, I'm using a fine dark rum, a Jamaican dark rum, Meyers. A lot of times you know Meyers, because Meyers is stuff they usually put on the top when you get like Mai Tai or something. Like a lot of restaurants put like stuff in there and on top, Meyers topper. But you can use actually any rum you want to. I'm going to keep this Jamaican, or you use Jamaican rum. A little bit of almond syrup, orgeat, to go with it. Hot coffee. I'm going to hit that with some whipped cream out of the can. Keep it simple. Show you how easy it is. And then I'll put a little stuff on top at the end. I think you'll like it. Stick around. Okay, let's begin. First thing you want to do is you want to have your Irish coffee mug with the warm water in there. Look at the thing steaming. With warm water to keep the glass warm. Duh. Okay? Dump your hot water out. Okay. Then we're going to take, I got my little shot glass here with 1/2 ounce on one side, 1 ounce on the other side. Perfect. Little thumbnail thing, so it'll make it easy for us. Okay. First thing you want to do is put 1.5 ounces of Meyers dark rum in there. Pour the Irish coffee mug. Okay. Now I'm just going to flip that over. I'm going to use 1 ounce of the almond syrup. Now this stuff, people know it's orgeat. Almond syrup, you can buy this in a coffee shop. As a matter of fact, I think I bought it at a coffee shop. But you can buy this at any coffee shop. It's an almond and flower water. Some people like to put it in their coffee. I like to put it in my Mai Tais. Okay. Then we're going to hit that with some hot coffee. Put a little bit of foam on top. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep this simple. So I'm going to use Redi-Whip out of the, out of the grocery store case, okay? Put them out. Okay. Now I'm going to use, like I said, I'm going to keep this simple. I'm going to use a little ground nutmeg for the top. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. Let's check it out. How about that, huh? Look at that. Ooh, that's good. You get the whipped cream on top, and the nutmeg hits your mouth first. Then you get the rum, you get the coffee and the rum warms as it's going down. It's very easy to make. Very simple ingredients you can pick up. So do me a favor, shoot me back a comment where it says down below comments, shoot me back a comment and just tell me, do you like warm cocktails? Do you want some more? Do you want other cocktails? Let me know what you want, because I'm going to listen to you and I can improve on this through you. So help me out. Give this a like, send it to somebody, your significant other, and also leave me a comment on how you like this. I'm going to hit that again. Oh, excellent. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll see you just in time for the next round.